Hello guys, let's install PhpStorm. Go to the jetbrains.com and then we just click the PhpStorm and let's download the actual package. So download, yeah, it's downloading. Okay, cool, download it, and I think it's gonna be in the downloads folder. Yeah, okay, so I prefer to install in this folder. Okay, in the folder we have already some Docker related stuff and Google, and let's create a new folder for JetBrains. Cool, and then cd JetBrains. Okay, and now let's enter the package. So it was zipped, so extract. It was this compressed, and the file and the location of the file home. Username is Zabi, download folder, and PhpStorm. Okay, let's see. Okay, cool. We have a folder. Let's check the contents really quick. Yeah, that's correct. But I don't like the folder name, so let's change something better. Like just PhpStorm. Yes. Okay, cool. Now it's better. Okay, and the start, the program, I prefer to use the key binding. So let's go to the keyboard and let's add a new shortcut. So the command, let's go to, it was the folder, yeah, so this OPT folder, JetBrains, PhpStorm, bin, and there is like PhpStorm. Okay, open, and the combination I use it like super or win key plus I, like ID. Okay, it's done, and we can start it. Let's try super I. Yeah, okay, confirm, cool stuff. Send. I don't send. Yeah, let's go with the trial. Okay, so as you can see, it's up and running. Let's close it. There is one small thing we need to do for the future when there will be some updates. I don't want to change the permission, so let's do it straight away. So let's go move out from the folder, and as you can see, I have root privileges and I don't want that. I want a simple user, so let's change ownership recursively for Mr. Zabi and Mr. Zabi again. So Mr. Zabi user and Mr. Zabi group, and yeah, folder JetBrains. Cool. Yeah, now it's better. Now it will work. The updates will work from the simple user. Cool. And just try again. Yeah, PhpStorm. So yeah, cool. Working. So yeah,